Hello friends, in this video we will replace the ink of HP Deskjet 1115 printer, and here we will not completely replace the cartridge, but we will refill that cartridge with ink, black color ink. So first, this is the new ink which I have purchased. We will unbox it and refill it later. First, let's see how we can uh, remove the cartridge, take out the cartridge from the printer. So just take out this opening, then open it, and if you see, if I turn the power button on, this cartridge will come to the in the middle. Now it's in the middle, and in order to pull it out, you have to press it downward. So just press it downward and take out the cartridge. So I also have one colored cartridge which I will not change. I will just refill this black and white cartridge, and this cartridge model number is 680, but the process is same for any other cartridge also, so you can follow this step by step for any other cartridge. And you can see here it's mentioned 680, so it's recommended to put it the same one. Now let's first unbox the ink. Actually it's completely gone. I am not able to print anything. So after refill we will see if I can print anything or not. So now I will unbox this ink which I had purchased from Amazon. So this is the ink, and I purchased it for 499 rupees from Amazon, and the company name is White Sky. And before purchasing, make sure to check the model of your cartridge. In this case it's 680, so I would recommend you to go for inks which are recommended for 680. Similarly, if you have any other model, please check before purchasing the ink. Now let's see what's inside this box. So you will need one syringe for injecting the ink into this cartridge. So it's already provided in this package. And then we have refill ink for HP printer, black 100 milliliter. So it's 100 milliliter, and you can fill it many times. If you inject 5 milliliter of ink at a time, then you can refill it theoretically 20 times if there is no wastage. And you can see its size, 100 milliliter is too big. So we have the ink here, we have the syringe, and then after injecting the ink, there is some ink that you have to drain out, so we will use it for that, or we don't even need it, you can purchase it if it's already given. And there is nothing else in this box. So in the box we have one instruction manual also, so you can I will follow it also. So we have this suction tool, So first we will set it up, then we will fit the cartridge here so that it's easy to suck the extra ink. So we have this suction tool and we have these clips, green color. So you have to put it here. Again, these are optional step. You can do it in your hand also. This is just to ease out the process of injecting and pouring out extra ink. So this is rubbery and it protects the cartridge. So this side of the cartridge, you can see the smaller side. So extra ink can come out from here, and this is some kind of circuit which you don't want to damage. So we can put it here and fit it, and then we will refill the ink. And this extra clip you don't have to use. This is to change the height of this for Canon series of printers, not for HP series. So now after that you need to pull out this sticker. So there will be 3 holes and we have to fill in the top one for black one. So let's take out this sticker. Slowly, since you don't damage the sticker, we have to put it back once we have refilled. So now I have taken out this sticker and you can see there is a hole here in the center, and we have to inject the ink in this one hole. So first I will put it. Now I have taken out the injection and the needle and I have fitted it, and now I am ready to pour out some ink. So I am keeping it on a piece of paper because there can be some spillage of extra ink. So you can see the markings of milliliter scales on the injection. So we can pull out around 5 milliliter of ink from this bottle. Now we have roughly 5 milliliter of ink in this syringe and we will inject it. So now I have 5 milliliter of this ink, and in this hole you have to inject it, the one here in the center. So first we will move the injection inside it. You can see it, half of the injection is inside it, and then I will pour it out slowly. You don't have to rush, otherwise there will be extra ink spilling all over. So slowly I am injecting it, you can see it. So now the complete ink is injected, just like COVID vaccine. Now pull out the injection, it's empty, and the cartridge has the ink now. So just shake it slightly. There is no spillage if you see on the reverse side. Generally people face a spillage, but if you do it carefully you will not face such situation. Maybe after some time the ink comes down, but I am not seeing any spillage here. So I will leave it for just 1 minute, and then we will put this cartridge back into the printer and we will see if it prints or not. So I don't see any extra ink coming out here. So maybe I will inject 2-3 milliliters more of injection and then see if any extra ink comes out. So I have taken another maybe 2.6 milliliter of ink and I will put it back again. The same process. And this is like the second dose of COVID. So the second dose is also now complete. I still don't see any extra ink coming out. Now I will put the sticker back. And now I will insert this cartridge back into the printer. So again, power on the printer. Then put it with slightly bent position and then push it back, and the cartridge is now in its place. Now I will close this, open this paper tray, and then I will put some paper and try to print it. Now let's print a page. So you can see it has printed the page. There is some ink missing here. So maybe you need to print it a few more times and then this should be gone. So I will print the same page again. So you can see it's able to print. I will try adding a few more milliliters of ink and see if there is any issue or not. But so far it's doing fine. Before filling the ink, it was printing completely blank page. So there was not even a single dot on this sheet. And now it's able to print it. So I think the refill is working. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. So this is a very simple process how to refill ink. If you go for a new cartridge, it will cost you a lot. So you can get it done in less than half of that price. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be posting many more useful videos like this.